Hello, everyone. My name is Nate Doggett, and I have the opportunity to serve as a male member at large for the Virginia Tech class of 2023. Each class has the opportunity to select a faculty member or administrator who has made a significant impact at Virginia Tech to serve as their class sponsor. The class of 2023 is proud to recognize Dr. Bevlee Watford for this honor. A Triple Hokie alumna, Dean Watford has gone through all levels of study in the Virginia Tech College of Engineering. She now serves as the Associate Dean for Equity and Engagement, as well as the Chief Director for the Center for the Enhancement of Engineering Diversity, or SEED for short. I can personally attest to her impact through SEED, as I was able to benefit from the Galopecia Living Learning Community my freshman year, and know of so many others who have benefited from this program. Dr. Watford's commitment to inclusion and diversity are two of the primary reasons why we chose her for this role. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Watford.
So good evening. Good evening, everyone. We are happy to simply be here together again. I mean, the bottom line is, for such a special occasion, and it's been so long, the unveiling of the ring for the class of 2023. We have some amazing traditions here at Virginia Tech. The rings being designed by the graduating class that will wear them is one of those amazing traditions. I still remember how excited I was when I got my ring. And my husband's ring was bought as a birthday gift, actually. We wore them with extreme pride. Not only did it mean that we would soon be graduating, it also let the world know that we were, and we still are, Hokies, something very special to both of us. More recently, our son and daughter both graduated from Virginia Tech from the Pamplin College of Business and the College of Natural Resources, respectively. I think that something that touched my heart was the fact that my son chose to put my last name on his ring, the name that I was born with and that I've used my entire professional career. And that meant a lot to me. Not only am I a Hokie by virtue of my degrees, I've worked for this institution for over 30 years. Not a day goes by that I do not I can't figure you're clapping because you like what I said, or you're clapping because I'm old and you think I need a clap. But that's okay, I'll take it either way. Okay, so I've worked here over 30 years, and not a day goes by that I don't consider myself fortunate to have been here for my entire career. And now, this to be chosen the class of 2023 ring sponsor is one of the highest honors I have ever achieved. I thank the class of 2023 for this recognition. You have so much in store for you, and I cannot wait to see all that you accomplish. Go Hokies. Well, thank you. Okay, show the flowers and walk off.
You got this.